we should set the cruise control. 80 is the limit down there. There's a radar, remember. If you are passing the Dragon Stadium, that's how you say it in English. In Portuguese is Arena do Dragão. You basically need to be aware that there's a radar up here, as you can see, radar, and then there's another one a few miles ahead. So basically, if you have some kind of speed control, just set it and forget it, because this zone you cannot do anything above 80. Some guys will try, but you cannot do anything above 80 here. There are two radars. So there's the warning for the second one, and the radar is in up ahead here. That's that little box on the pole. This is a multi-lane radar. It can catch everybody on 2 lanes. So be careful. Be very careful. And after this turn, you lose the sight with the radar and you are basically free to go. As you can see, we are going to get past, but that's just for a bit, because as soon as I can, we are gone, like now.